This Coldwell Banker Voetberg real estate property video is presented by Sybil Kuhn. Beautiful, desirable block. A warm and inviting open floor plan with vaulting ceilings, bar seating, custom kitchen with granite countertops, beveled subway tile backsplash, covered front porch, spacious living room and dining area plus nearly new LG good appliances included. Updated 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home features cascading laminate flooring throughout, no carpet, fresh paint too. Mature landscaping, heat pump, tranquil sidewalks, 2-car garage. Fully fenced backyard, high-speed internet, large primary bedroom with ensuite and large entry closet. 1.5 mile from Interstate 5, minutes away from Newaukum Golf Course and your choice of gas stations, coffee/cafes and restaurants and schools. Enjoy this premier location. Neighborhood was developed with HOA and attention to details. Don't miss this one. For more information,